Step 1. Prepare your workspace and wear an ESD wrist strap. Step 2. Power down, unplug, and remove the battery if possible. Locate the ZIF connector and note the locking flap orientation before removal. Step 3. Use a plastic spudger to lift the locking flap up gently from the hinge. Slide the ribbon cable straight out, keeping the connector angle steady and noting cable alignment. If the flap is broken, carefully pry it off with a precision pick before installing the replacement. Clean the connector contacts with a soft brush or low-pressure air to remove debris. Step 4. Align the replacement flap over the hinge, matching the original orientation exactly. Press the flap into place gently until it seats flush and the hinge engages. Step 5. Reinsert the ribbon cable straight and until the contacts seat fully and evenly. Close the locking flap securely, verify orientation, then reassemble the device components. Final check. Compare before and after, ensure secure connection and follow ESD precautions when testing power.